I'm thrilled to be joined by another Cheryl, a powerhouse at Nutanix, our healthcare CTO, Cheryl Rodenfels. Welcome, Cheryl.
Hi, Cheryl. How are you?
I'm doing all right. So you can see from the poll, there's a little work to be done. It sounds like most people have a plan, but a little work to be done. What are you seeing from your perspective on the challenges people are going through right now?
Well, I think the first thing is, especially as this pandemic hit, people had some technology challenges. A lot of employees are casual IT users, especially at home. They have a family PC that they share with 3 kids and a cat. They have some basic internet service, and at work, they use PCs and thin clients and things like that. So companies had to hurry up and either buy or move equipment to get them to people's homes. So I think that was the first thing is, coming up with some creative provisioning to get equipment to the homes. I think the next thing is they also had challenges with their daily routines. So again, people are concerned about what's going on with the world and with the virus. And now they're working at home. The remote access doesn't always look like it does at work. So people are upset. IT folks had to provide better customer service and be really patient because not everybody is a technology expert. So I would say that. And I think the third thing is they had to prioritize access to essential applications and services. Not everything had to be expanded and go live first. They really had to do the things that were critical to keeping their businesses open.
Got it. So you are healthcare CTO, but obviously this doesn't just pertain to healthcare. Where should people start in terms of addressing these challenges?
Well, I think the first thing is don't panic. You have a plan, work it. And, from our poll results, it looks like some could be improved, some are excellent, some are poor. Start from where you're at, right? You don't have to start from scratch, and you can expand on your existing plan and environment. One thing we found is many of our customers were confident and comfortable with the automation and reliability built into the Nutanix platform. So it allowed us to focus on what they didn't have rather than revisiting what they did have.
Gotcha. So you have a plan, stick to it and build from it, right? But what if my business is shut down or I have old technology that needs to be replaced? Can I make the changes now with, the uncertainty in, by both financially and just not knowing when business is going to be up again? Can I make changes now?
Oh, absolutely. And I think especially if you're preparing to reopen, first thing you have to do is prioritize the activities, the systems, and the purchases that are going to help your business catch up. Next, consider adding disaster recovery services and capabilities incrementally. One challenge is companies wait until they have funding to duplicate their primary environments because they like to be matchy-matchy. What I have here, I have to have here. That's the beauty of Nutanix. We integrate with all of the existing technologies, so you can add systems to your DR environment one at a time. I think people should also be considering using technology that allows them to be quick as the cloud. Several of our customers told us they were able to expand and move workloads immediately. And I think the last thing is everyone is considering reducing costs because I don't think anybody was making tons of money during this. They have to reduce costs and complexity. And I would say start reducing the number of contracts, the numbers of licensing, the number of vendors that you have. Nutanix provides one vendor, one contract, one license, and that really makes a difference.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Cheryl, for sharing your insights with us today. I know you'll be available in chat if people have future or further questions. But for now, I'm going to turn it back over to you, Brian. That was Cheryl Rodenfels, Nutanix Healthcare CTO.